You see how this is? When we do our cakes here on Mama Soul Kitchen, I just want you to go ahead and look at some of the previous ones, like the buttermilk pound cake and those kind of things, how we have our batters looking like ribbon, everybody. You see this? Look how it falls. It is not soupy. It's not runny. It's actually perfect. The consistency. This is going to be a good cake, a good moist cake at that. Look at the thickness of that. You see that? Now, after we're done, I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so now we are back. We poured our batter into the pan and made it nice and even. You should slide it in a few times. Now, all this extra stuff is goodness right here, everybody. I laid a little bit of butter. Butter on top of it, going all the way around the cake. So every cut that we get, we're going to get some different types of flavors. We're going to get the butter tasting mouth water and smack you up. Both butter laying into the bone. Grandmother, I'm saying it. I'm talking about it, okay? All right, grandmother, come on. All right, so now here we go. We have our strudel here. It's just brown sugar, nutmeg, and walnuts. This is going to go on top of this. We're going to layer it all around this cake right here. I tell you, boy, when I made this for the church, people was like, what is in there? I said, none of your business. Oh, grandma, you don't know. They have to come on the YouTube channel and find out. So anyway, but yeah, so we're going to go ahead and lay all this goodness on here, succulent goodness all around this cake. And I'm going to tell you, it's going to be the best. It was like when Pearline came to the church and brought that lopsided cake. I looked at her like she was crazy. Grandmother, maybe it wasn't a good day. It's never a good day for Pearline. Pearline always thinks that she can go ahead and make better cakes than anybody. And everybody just talk about it like a dog. Grandmother, that's serious. Don't want nobody talking about my cakes, okay? Now, nobody even saying about this. Now, here we go. We're going to put this in the oven under 350 and let it cook for a good 30 minutes. And we're going to check it out. And you guys stay tuned. Watch out. And this is what it looks like. See all that layered on top of that, all that strudel on top of it. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, stay tuned. It's been 30 minutes. See how that is? It's not done yet. So we're going to let it cook for another 7 minutes. But look at all that. Make me want to slap somebody. See the sucking little crevices over there? That's flavor. That's a flavor cake right there. Okay, Grandma. Look at this. Ooh, look at that right there. Look at that right there. What you guys know right there? But Grandmother, it smells so good in here. That's what I'm talking about. Good old box-made spice cake the easy way. That's not too bad. And I know it's ready because we gave it an extra 8 minutes. Look at that. You can tell how firm it is. Look at that. It don't stick. It's not juicy. It's not, it's not, wet or anything. So here we go. We're going to show you what a cut slice look like. Stay tuned. Hello, everybody. Here we are. Look at that. Don't that look delicious? Here's that cake we've been making with the nice cream cheese, the sour cream, excuse me, and the buttermilk. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that, you guys. That moist what? So make sure you guys like what you see. If you do, hit that like, share, and subscribe below. And make sure you hit that notification bell because we have a lot more coming soon here at Mama Soul Kitchen. Have a nice day. Bye, you guys.